Welcome to the Crash Test Center. Today, we'll see how the Toyota Prado, Land Cruiser, Range Rover, and G-Class perform when safety is pushed to the limit.
Frontal impact tests evaluate cabin integrity and occupant protection. Side impacts are among the most dangerous real-world crashes. High center of gravity SUVs must resist rollovers effectively. Modern safety is not only structural, but intelligent. Each data point determines real-world survival chances. Strength, technology, and design decide who protects best.
This hyper-realistic simulation showcases the controlled deformation upon impact, highlighting the advanced safety features of the VO3 platform.